Hi. Today I got this smoky motherboard. This is the easiest way to clean smoke and like really heavy grease stuff off electronics. So I'll just be showing you how to do it today. So take off all the VRM and chipset heat sinks first of all. I did chipset here, VRMs here. This one would not come off, so I just left it. Alright, and take it outside. Obviously, as you can see, I am outside. Turn on your hose, preferably have like an end on it where it's high pressure. If not, just stick your thumb over half of it. Make high pressure water. Alright, as you can see here, I have this hose end here. So you're going to want to make it pressurized, so set it on. I just put this full. But don't make it too pressurized, like with a dedicated pressure, or it will like get all the crap off the board, like capacitors and MOSFETs and such. But then just kind of spray all around it. And yeah, just like, look how much already better that looks. I know it looks different because it's wet, but like, and just get all around as much as you can, all around every little piece of it. Back included, because they can get pretty gross. Alright, as you can see, this does look a lot better, and now you're just going to want to dry it for, I would say, just set it out outside, like here, in the sun for, I'd say about an hour. Alright, I've left it for about an hour, and now we're going to be spraying it off with compressed air. So this, I've just used like a portable air compressor. It has about 100 psi in it right now. I wouldn't go above this, or else it could potentially knock off capacitors and such thing. Got your air compressor head. Get every little piece of water, get under everything. You can just Alright, after you have done that, just set it out in a very warm spot. Like for this, I just chose concrete because it's pretty hot. It's about 80 degrees right now. And just let it sit there for probably about another hour. And come back, and it should be just about dry. If it's not, just leave it for longer and until you see literally no water, because any water can damage it after it's plugged in.